And here's why. Not only are we going to see, again, air quality advisories, but we're also going to see a chance for a few thunderstorms and a slight risk for a little severe weather. So a lot happening this afternoon. It was nice to get the cloud cover, though, yesterday. If you're at the park today by noon, 88, warm and hazy. We'll see some building clouds by early afternoon, and then that chance for a few isolated storms. We're at about a 30 to 40% chance for a few storms here in town. Any little bit of rain would be nice. It's not going to really help when you look at our drought monitor because we're looking at extreme conditions out on the western slope and out on the eastern plains as well. We would need quite a bit of rain to help with this, but any little bit today would be nice to at least cool things off a bit and to change up the afternoon a bit. 90s expected for the next 5 to 7 days. There will be a better chance for a few storms in the afternoon, both today and tomorrow, and a few of those will turn a little severe. We could get some larger hail and some gustier winds. Quiet though this morning. We're in the 60s. Humidity is up a bit here in town this morning. That number will drop though as our temperatures rise here with our sunrise. Mid to upper 60s from Littleton at 63 to Thornton right now at 66, and 40s and 50s in the mountains. So you've got a pleasant morning. In gray, same spots as yesterday under an air quality advisory, and then fire danger going up. So those red flag warnings are back in effect today in through the northern and central mountains. The risk of severe weather is going to cover the eastern plains. It includes the I-25 corridor, and you'll see those storms pop up here on Futurecast. We'll go from 60s this morning to upper 70s by about 10 o'clock, and then 90s for highs. That'll be right around 2 to about 3, but you'll notice again near Bailey, Evergreen, Estes Park, we start to see a few isolated storms pop up. So the chance of getting one rolling through your neighborhood isn't great, but if you do, we could see it turn a little severe. By about 11 o'clock, we're going to be in the 70s, and then early tomorrow morning, back in the 60s. Hot again, though. Tomorrow afternoon, 90s, with about a 30% chance for some afternoon thunderstorms on Thursday. When you look at the hourly planner, it's not going to be quite as hot early on. By noon yesterday, we were in the mid-90s. Today, we'll see some upper 80s, but it's still really hot out west. Grand Junction today, 102. Tomorrow, we'll be in the 90s, and then we'll stay in the low to mid 90s through the weekend. Pretty hot and dry with potentially a few thunderstorms on Sunday. But a long string of 90s, we are smack dab in the middle of this streak, which by it looks like, Jason, on Tuesday, if we're still in the 90s by that point, it will be a 16-day streak of 90-degree heat.